Easily add symbols to the diagram from the Symbols Librarian. The library has been modernized and reorganized, and we can type in a search term and just hit the Enter key for your search results to display. You can also browse to different household symbols, and if you have one that you'd like to add to your favorites, you can select it and hit the heart icon. All favorites will be in the favorites folder that you can access at any time. There are also new sign symbols for the European and UK. And we can also go and look at our vehicle symbols. There are new car symbols added, SUV symbols, truck symbols, and so on. So easily add a symbol to your diagram by hitting the Insert button. Left click to place the symbol on the diagram. Move your mouse around to adjust the rotation, or right click for the default 0 degrees. Symbols can also be edited or added. Symbols can also be deleted. So if you've created a symbol you don't want in your library, you can delete it to only have the symbols you would like to see.